So in today's video, we're gonna be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy 700 V1 Bright Blue, which are set to drop this coming Saturday, April the 17th, retailing at $240. So where do these joints stack up when compared to the Suns, as well as other previous Yeezy 700 V1 colorways? And will these be another Yeezy that will be added here to the personal collection? What's good, guys? JA. If y'all are new here on this channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, but stay tuned for today's new video because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute to all the real ones. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for pulling up for today's new video. So I think I finally came to the conclusion that the Yeezy 700 V1 has got to be my favorite Yeezy silhouette. So I had to start off today's video with this release right here, the 700 V1 Sun, a release that dropped earlier this year. And I feel like people weren't as hype on this as they should have been, guys. To me, when I first seen images of this sneaker leak last year, I love these instantly. And as y'all see, resale prices are crazy, in the upwards of $800 depending on your size, for a shoe that retailed at $240. So last year we didn't get any 700 V1 releases. So I'm not sure why people weren't talking about this as much. But I'm really curious to see, with this upcoming drop, the 700 Bright Blues, are we gonna have another situation where the shoe's coming up, not too many people are talking about it? I think it's gonna catch us off guard. And is resale prices gonna be as crazy as this joint right here in the long run? So before we get into today's unboxing, gotta thank the sponsors on this channel for making early looks like this happen. So today's video is sponsored by the Addict Bot. Now I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Addict. Well, they've just announced Addict 2.0, which is gonna be a game changer. So as y'all know, Addict supports over 85 sites, including Adidas, Supreme, Kith, and Bape, plus more retailers that carry your favorite Jordans, Yeezy, and more high profit items. Addict's been having constant success for users for every release, and they're one of the most reliable iOS bots on the market. Addict is a great investment for anyone looking to flip sneakers and make thousands monthly, or it's just a great tool to use if you're looking to secure sneakers for retail. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up at addict.io to be notified as soon as the Addict bot comes back in stock. All right, guys, let's get straight into the unboxing. And if you guys have been following my movement lately and been tuned into the live streams lately, I've been saying that if I can't cop these joints at retail, then these joints will not be going to the personal collection. As y'all see, the wall behind us is starting to pile up. I've been having to make excuses, on why I should not cop certain pairs. I feel like I got a lot of 700 V1 colorways. These joints got similarities to the Suns, which I already have. So I'm feeling like these joints right here could be a strong pass, if I'm not able to cop for retail. So of course, we're gonna be checking out an early look here on the channel. Now this pair, guys, does happen to be my size as well. So let's go ahead and check these joints out together. See what we're working with here. And gotta give a huge salute to Adidas and Ye for dropping the retail. As you guys know, the original 700 V1s retailed at $300 US, so that $240 change is very welcoming. You guys just gotta drop these joints in bigger quantities. So let's check these out. Again, these are set to drop. Oh, we got two sets of wax paper. So that's something different. So we got the Bright Blues, and man, sheesh. My guys. They've done it again. The Yeezy 700 V1 Bright Blue. Drop your first impressions, guys, in the comment section down below. So in my opinion, the 700 V1 is one of the rare Yeezys that actually do run more true to size than usual. So I would suggest to go with your true to size for a more snug fit. But if you guys are more in between sizes or prefer a more loose fit, just go ahead and half size up on this sneaker in particular. So for the colorway, first and foremost, them dudes that like to match their jerseys with their sneakers are gonna love these. So Mets fans, Florida Gators fans, even the New York Knicks fans, they're gonna love these joints because they're primarily blue and orange, guys. So of course, starting with the sole on the bottom, guys, you have the white exposed boost, guys, with the black bottoms going into the orange sole. And I can already tell, guys, that this shade of orange slightly differs versus the sun. So we're gonna do a full side-by-side comparison to check out all the details. So normally on the Wave Runners, one of the most iconic details are the orange drops or drips, whatever you want to call it, near the heel area of the shoe. So with the sole being orange, they do not stand out, which is something slightly different. Let me know if you guys prefer the fact that they stood out on the Wave Runners, or if you like the fact that they blend in here with what you got with the bright blue as well as with the sun. So moving into more details, of course, as you transition more into the upper, guys, you got the black suede, you've got the green as well as the teal that you guys got from the Wave Runners, which gives it that OG nostalgic feeling to people that, you know, did have the originals, or for people that missed out on the original, guys. But what sets this shoe off the most and makes it the most different than any other V1, guys, of course, that beautiful royal blue. So you've got different materials going on. You've got your suede, you've got your mesh around the sock liner area, you got your leather, and then you got that beautiful suede toe cap, guys. Now, in terms of the laces, at first glance, they appear to be the same kind of grayish off-white color that we got with the Suns, but I can tell y'all right now, they're slightly different. You know, almost a pure white, but kind of almost an off-white. So let's just go ahead and say that they are white. So in terms of the colorway, guys, I really love this colorway, but I'm gonna say that it's not messing with the Suns. So speaking of the Suns, let's go ahead and check those joints out side by side. So when I was referring to the sole, guys, the bright blue 700 V1 has a more, so you've got a brighter orange here versus a more pale muted orange with the Suns. I feel like that works well transitioning into the yellow mustard colored upper versus that royal blue that you got with the bright blues. Now, in terms of the green, some people may be curious if the forest or teal green colors differ, but they are exactly identical, matching the original Wave Runner color as well. Now, in terms of the laces, guys, I mentioned earlier there are slight difference in shade. So in my opinion, the Sun is more of a gray, almost mint gray color. And this one, of course, is gonna be more of your off-white, close to a white colored lace. So let me know what y'all think. Some people suggested that these releases should have came with a spare pair of laces, like we got with previous, well, actually with just one of the 700 V1s, the teal blue joints. I think that would be a dope touch. So comment down below what alternate color pair of laces you guys feel like should have dropped alongside the 700 V1 bright blue. So when comparing the bright blue next to the OG Wave Runner, as mentioned before, the teal green as well as forest green colors match the iconic Wave Runner colorway. Of course, in my opinion, guys, no 700 V1 after the Wave Runner will ever match the shape of this original shoe. The cut of the tongue, as you guys will notice, is a little bit higher, which I'm a fan of, and as well as I love the sleek and more narrow toe box area. So the Wave Runner is unmatched, guys, but gotta say that these joints right here are definitely a dope addition to the collection. So guys, with that being said, I gotta keep these joints because for me, colorway wise, you know, these are in the top tier level to me. For me, my favorite 700 V1 colorways, of course, you got the Wave Runner, Sun, but I'm also a huge fan of the mauve colorway as well as the analog joints. So for me, being is that this is one of my favorite colorways from the V1, I'm gonna say these joints are definitely gonna go into the personal collection. Now, being is that this release is coming up this weekend, guys, be ready. As y'all know, Adidas, they've been real secretive on the releases when it comes to the Yeezy brand. So expect that confirmed raffle to enter hopefully the day before, or they could hit us with a possible 30-minute raffle window Saturday morning. I just hope we don't get a Q drop. Now, of course, guys, be on the lookout for all of the smaller boutiques and retailers that do drop these, because you'll generally have a higher chance of copping with those than Yeezy Supply. Yeezy Supply for me is always my last resort, because bro, I have had no luck all year even getting through to even select my size on Yeezy Supply. So I pretty much put all my luck into the raffles and then trying to hit at every boutique retailer as possible. Even some of the UK sites can come through for you guys if you're up early enough for the drops, guys. So good luck to everybody looking to cop these joints this weekend. It's gonna be a crazy drop. I feel like these will have more pairs than the Suns, but that doesn't mean that you guys can sleep. It doesn't mean that this is gonna be an easy release. The 700 V1 continues to be one of the favorite, most popular Yeezy silhouettes. These joints are gonna be flying off the shelf. A sneaker that retails at $240, I expect these joints after the release to be sitting well over $400, and expect them to just continue to skyrocket over time, just like we saw with the 700 V1 Suns, which are going for crazy prices, and just like we've seen all the 700 V1 silhouettes continue to rise up in price over time. So let me know, guys, are y'all looking to cop these joints this coming weekend? Do you like the Suns over these? Do you have to have both in your collection? Let me know everything about this shoe. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, guys. Salute, I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all.